Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of the Tech Security USA podcast. We're proud to be based here in the greater Seattle area, serving security professionals across the country. My name is Toufic, and I'm the online marketing manager at Tech Security USA. I'm joined today by our general manager, Alan. It's great to have you here today, sir.
Thank you, Toufic. Hello everyone, my name is Alan, and I've been in the security camera industry for over 15 years. I'm excited to share some exciting news with all CCTV installers out there. We are launching a brand new program that we believe is a game changer.
That's right. It's called Morning to Evening with Tech Security USA. This is a unique opportunity for our CCTV installers across the US to come visit our team here in Seattle on us and get hands-on training experience and a full day of value.
Exactly. We are inviting installers from across the country to spend the day with us. The invitation includes a complimentary round-trip flight, airport pickup, one-night hotel stay, all meals throughout the day, and even a free gift to take home.
And it doesn't stop there. You will also receive free in-depth training, a certificate of completion, and if you sign a contract with us for $25,000 or more, you'll qualify for the full benefits of the program, including free shipping of your purchased equipment directly to your customers.
That's the key. We are making it as easy and rewarding as possible for installers to partner with us. And if you choose to sign a $25,000 contract with Tech Security USA, you will also unlock even more long-term perks.
We're talking about quarterly cashback rebates, local customer service, and technical support, and access to dedicated installer hotline, which is 1-800-890-3623, and ongoing training and consultation at no additional cost.
Plus, you will benefit from exclusive pricing, priority shipping, and surprise gifts along the way. It's all part of the building lasting relationships with the professionals who trust and install our products.
This program is more than just an invitation. It's a real investment in your growth. Whether you're an independent installer or managing a larger team, we want to give you the tools, training, and support to help you scale.
We truly see our installers as partners. You are not just buying from us, you are becoming part of a team that's here to back you up with the knowledge, resources, and reliable service.
So if you're ready to take your installation business to the next level, we'd love to host you here in Seattle. Capacity is limited, so to reserve your spot today, give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit our website at techsecurityusa.com.
Thanks again for tuning in. We look forward to meeting you in person and helping your business grow with confidence.
Until next time, stay safe and secure with Tech Security USA.